Welcome back, friends. I'm Rachel, and today we're diving into the world of SEO in 2025. Algorithms are smarter, users are pickier, and avoiding mistakes is crucial to keep your website shining. Let's explore the pitfalls to avoid. First up, user intent. It's not just about traffic, but the right traffic. Understand why users search and align your content with their needs. This approach builds a loyal audience and boosts your rankings significantly. Next, avoid keyword stuffing. Overloading keywords is like oversalting food, unpleasant and ineffective. Focus on natural usage and contextual relevance. Write for humans, not robots, to keep both Google and your readers happy. Mobile optimization is crucial in 2025. A mobile-friendly site is essential as Google prioritizes these. Ensure your design is responsive and easy to navigate on smaller screens to keep users engaged and improve your rankings. Don't overlook page speed. A slow website can drive visitors away. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to optimize your site. Aim for a fast-loading website to enhance user experience and maintain a competitive edge. High-quality backlinks remain vital. Focus on earning links from trusted sites in your niche. Building relationships and creating shareable content can boost your site's authority and improve your search engine rankings. Structured data is a powerful tool often overlooked. It helps Google understand your content better, enhancing visibility with rich snippets. Implementing schema markup can significantly increase your click-through rates. Thanks for joining me today. Avoid these SEO mistakes to boost your website's success. Remember, SEO is an ongoing journey. Keep learning and adapting. Subscribe for more tips, and let's keep your SEO game strong.